Now let's take a look at the revisions area of RSpace so that we can understand exactly what the revisions mean, what we can see there, and how we can restore previous versions of particular documents. I'm going to look at a document called European Biobanks, which is a shared document that happens to be located in the shared folder, in lab groups, and in Rob Principal's lab shared folder. I'm going to select the document by clicking in the select box, and then I'm going to click revisions. And this shows me the history of that particular document. Now notice that because it's a shared document, more than one person has access to this particular document. I can see from the heading the document was created by RD user on May the 12th, and I can see that RD user made some modifications to the file. But then I can see that RD Principal also made some additional modifications. It's always a good idea to look at the modified by column in the revision history to see exactly who has made the revisions and also when they were made. I can see any of the older versions of the document by clicking the View button. A great feature of RSpace is that I can choose to click on the View button while holding down the Control key, and this will bring up the browser menu that allows me to say, open this link in a new tab. And then I can also go ahead and take a look at the most recent version of the file by using the same approach. And now I can switch between these two different tabs to easily compare the very first version of the file and the most recent version of the file. If I decide that I like the first version better than the current version, I can actually use the Restore button to make this version the new current version of the file. Let's go ahead and click Restore. I get a pop-up message telling me that the file has been restored, and then I'm taken automatically back to that version of the document, which is now the new current version of the document.